Looking for a way to make your kitchen tasks easier? Whether it's chopping vegetables, mincing meat, kneading dough, or making puree, this one appliance can save your time and effort. Today, we're reviewing the Cuisinart Food Processor 14 Cup, a game changer for your kitchen. Let's dive into the details. Main review. Design and build. The Cuisinart Food Processor boasts a premium stainless steel finish that's not only durable but also adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen. Its 14-cup capacity makes it ideal for large families or hosting guests. Key features. 1. Multifunctional blades and discs. Equipped with sharp blades and various discs, this processor can handle mincing, dicing, shredding, pureeing, and kneading dough effortlessly. 2. Powerful motor. Its 720-watt motor delivers enough power to handle even the toughest tasks, like chopping carrots or kneading pizza dough. 3. Ease of use. The large feed tube allows you to insert whole vegetables or fruits, reducing prep time significantly. 4. Safety first. The locking system ensures that everything stays secure during operation, keeping you safe while using the device. Why should you buy it? Saves up to 50% of your cooking time. Combines multiple functions in one appliance, saving counter space. Durable and easy to clean. Drawbacks. The motor can be slightly noisy. Cleaning the blades might take a bit of extra time. Value for money. For those looking for a reliable and efficient food processor for long-term use, this is an excellent choice. Compared to other premium brands, it's cost-effective and highly functional. The Cuisinart Food Processor 14 Cup is an exceptional product for making kitchen tasks faster and easier. If you want to save time, effort, and energy, this is a worthy investment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and healthy. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.